Dear ladies and gentlemen, good day. A disruption is coming up and it's built on three drivers. First, rain is finally on its way to consumer devices. Second, circularity steers companies to consider the full life cycles of items rather than just the supply chain that leads into point of sale. Third, the digital product passport, DPP. It's on its way and not only seen as a cost of doing business. In fact, many companies are already moving their DPP projects from compliance departments to business. How great is that? My name is Juho Partanen, and I'm the VP of Market Transformation at Impinj. Many of you know me as the co-founder of Voyantic. Voyantic is one of the de facto supporters of RAIN Alliance in the work groups and in the RAIN events for the past 10 years. Voyantic also had our feet on the ground as many of the RAIN vendors in Asia wanted to get into this ecosystem. After the acquisition of Voyantic by Impinj, one of the founding members of the alliance, I found that actually it makes a lot of sense for me to continue doing exactly the same advocacy, outreach, standardization work and networking, but changing to a hat that is better recognized outside the RAIN industry. My 20 years in the RAIN RFID business gives me perspective, access, and ability to steer the industry to a direction that is beneficial both for the end users and the technology providers. I also believe our industry is the right industry to be in. I know our industry is not yet fully set up to leverage the business opportunity in front of us. And I know how we can be more successful. And that has motivated me to invest a tremendous amount of time and effort, not only to overhaul the way the alliance was run, a team effort by the board of directors, obviously, but also a tremendous effort on building the standards that are the bedrock of our industry. Standardization work, by the way, which is also very much a team effort. All this is just to point out that I have been committed, I have been engaged, and I still want to make a difference and leave a positive mark on our industry. For me, the best place to continue to build the business opportunity for us all is the RAIN Alliance Board of Directors. With that said, I am very grateful for the support of so many of you already over the past 6 years. I have previously been nominated as a candidate by Decathlon, Michelin, and this year by Dr. Chris Diorio, the grand old man of the RAIN industry. I would highly appreciate your support in the election of the 4 director RAIN Alliance positions. Thank you so much.